What's the meaning of colleague? Colleague. Colleague.
Colleague. Colleague. A colleague is someone who works with you in the same organization or profession. This person is typically at a similar level or rank and shares similar responsibilities or goals. Colleagues may work together on projects, support each other in achieving objectives, and collaborate to achieve shared outcomes. A positive working relationship with colleagues can contribute to a productive and supportive workplace, while negative relationships can lead to tension and conflict. Building respectful and effective relationships with colleagues is an important aspect of professional success.